Officially been on hold with Adobe. It's hard to see. Maybe if I take the brightness down. Oh, there we go. For 1 hour, 39 minutes, and 54 seconds. 54 seconds? 1 hour, 40 minutes. And this is before calling the wrong number. The business line, I guess Adobe Creative Cloud for Teams, and waiting on hold for about 35 minutes with them, and then them transfer me to this number. 1 hour, 41 minutes, 15 seconds. I'm calling because to dispute a charge. They double charged me this month for my Creative Cloud subscription, which is not very usual. 3 days apart. Withdrawals of $59.20 each. It shouldn't be like this. I understand high demand, Adobe, but I've been using your product since I graduated, before I graduated from college, more than 10 years. I shouldn't have to wait like this. I understand it's a high season, you may be understaffed, but I'm sweating right now because I've done all this housework while I was on hold. Anyways, hope that you are able to do something about this for customer service purposes.